ये यादों का कारवां एक्चुअली चलता रहेगा, और यूं ही चलते चलते हम अंतिम मकाम पर कब आ गए। कहानियों का जादू कुछ यूं ही है कि हमेशा एक और सुनने का मन करता है। ऐसे ही ढेर सारी कहानियों का संकलन है। मेरा भी प्रॉक्सी मार देना। बात अगर कहानियों का है तो हमारे चीफ गेस्ट सर से ही सुन लेते हैं उनके कॉलेज के कुछ यादें। धीरेन्द्र सर प्लीज, हमें कुछ और
Eh,
जानना है आपके कॉलेज लाइफ के बारे में।
uh, Thanks, Asutosh. Thanks, everyone. I think right from the first storyteller all the way to Amlan. I'm sorry, I'm missing out on some of the names, but everyone, whoever was speaking, I had a kind of a film ka reel, kind of moving behind my mind or brain somewhere, and I could relate with so many. I think the story one. I don't know which one. There's so many. There's one which is about I was returning to Rourkela after some vacation. I used to go to Kohima, Nagaland. That was where my parents were. And then on my way back, I didn't have reservation. And then the Guwahati railway station, I tried at the reservation booth. Obviously, you don't get railway reservation at such a short notice. So, and then the Guwahati to Howrah was very far, more than the distance. I think the trains, the journey happened to be very long at that time. I think it was 30 hours. So without reservation, you can imagine. And that AC and all, to was bhul jao, I mean, forget it. So now the situation is like, I have some luggage. I don't have reservation. It's going to be very hot. It was the month of April, May. It was already quite warm. So I took the last resort. And just like at other railway stations, you see the chai wala selling chai. At the Guwahati railway station, you also see ticket walas selling tickets. Okay. And then they give you the ticket which would suit you the most. In the sense, the tickets are not fake, but you make it fake by traveling on it. So at that time, I think I was 18, 19. My mustache was not even showing, I would say. And then the ticket, the one that was nearest to my age in the set of tickets that he held, the nearest one was 26, M26. So I was going to travel on that. Everything was fake about that ticket except that it was M. That was the only reality truth in that.
आई होप
Obviously,
सर कि वो शर्मा जी का बेटा हो।
तो
बदला
फाइनली
ले लिया
अब
आपने।
अब मुझे याद आ रहा है वो रास्ते में ना, जब मैं लोगों से बात कर रहा हूँ, फॉरगेट द टीटी एंड ऑल, द ट्रेन टिकट एग्जामिनर की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, को पैसेंजर से भी बात कर रहा था मैं थोड़ी ऊंची आवाज में, और नॉट ऊंची, इट वाज लाइक I was pretending as though I was really 26. Subconscious ho rahi hai. I was only 18 or 19, but I was, I mean, like maybe, I recall later that probably I was folding my hands and wearing a relatively serious look on my face. Sab kuch ho gaya. And then at Howrah railway station, when I got down, and then I was just walking out, I would have changed my platform to get the next train to Rourkela. And that was when the TT caught me. भाई साहब इधर आ जाओ, टिकट दिखाओ. And then I was pretending, यार मेरे पास टिकट तो है, कहाँ गया. I knew it was somewhere in my back pocket, but मैं pretend कर रहा हूँ. तो उसने देख के कहा कि ये तुमने टिकट कहाँ से ली. तो मैंने कहा कि क्या. आई वाज प्रिटेंडिंग एज इफ, जो समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या पूछ रहे हैं. तो ही सेड कहाँ से टिकट ली. तो मैंने कहा रिजर्वेशन काउंटर से. कहता है कि व्हाट यू हैव डन कम्स अंडर सेक्शन IPC section 420 420 of cheat and deceit, and you would now be in jail 3 years or 3,000 fine. I got away. There is a story in the book, From Moon by Train, in this, collection of short stories, which will tell you whether I went to jail or Havra. Okay. What I'm trying to tell you is that this was one story that I could just relate to somewhere. I think it was one of the stories. I don't even recall which one. I think it was one lady who was talking about, hating online classes, or somewhere I could relate. So end of the day, great. I think the 4 years were memorable, and I think this evening too has been brilliant. I think I can't thank you people enough. Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat and the Litra Buzz, great. I mean, salute to you all. Great job. I think at such short notice. I mean, I don't really have words. I wish I had a richer vocab to really do justice to what you people have done. Amazing work. And then, some of the folks that we have been, working together, Satyam Soni, Maitre Sinha, Sahil, Mohammed Sahil, and Jitesh. I think these people have really been assisting us in really doing good. I think the book is doing good, and we actually, you might have seen the news. It was into the 100 bestsellers in the contemporary fiction category. We still have a long way to go, and I think I would call upon each one of you to not just read. You people are not just going to be readers तो बाहर के लोग होंगे जो we are going to reach out to. You people would also share your reviews. Okay, so I'm asking you not to read. I'm asking you people to share your reviews. So I look forward to you, having a lot of smiles and a lot of happiness reading this collection of short stories, Mera Bhi Proxy Maar Dena. Thank you all. Thanks. Great. I just can't thank you enough. That's how I would put it.